Welcome to this tutorial video designed to help your institution to complete the Performance Appraisal Report (PAR) for the academic sessions 2021-22 and 2022-23. Whether your institution is already registered or still needs to register, this video will guide you through the essential steps efficiently. This walkthrough will take you through the entire process from registering your institution to successfully submission of your PAR. To begin, access the PAR portal through the NCTE website under the e-governance or e-service sections. To get started with your PAR for the years 2021-22 and 2022-23, here's what you will need to do. First, read the public notice regarding your PAR for these years. Next, go through the general instructions to guide you through filling out the PAR form. You'll also need to gather and upload certain documents while filling up the PAR. For the complete list of documents required, make sure you have kept them ready. If someone else is filling up the PAR on your behalf, make sure to issue the authorization letter by chairman or secretary. The authorized person must also submit an affidavit in the prescribed format. Be sure to use the correct format for this. Don't forget to include a certificate from the affiliating body. For a clear idea of how your report should look, check out the specimen copy of the PAR. To fill in the GIS details correctly, refer to the guide on how to fill out GIS details through the mobile app provided on the login page, which is also available on Play Store. It is recommended to submit the PAR well before the last date to avoid any network congestion or hassle. Also, for the best experience, use the latest version of web browser such as Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. For new users, you'll need to register and complete 3 sections: institutional details, organizational details, and then you'll generate your user ID and password. If you're already registered, simply log in with your existing ID and password which you used in the session 2020-21. Your previously filled up PAR form will be available for review and editing. Once logged in, navigate to the institutional profile section to enter your institution's basic details such as name, address, and contact information. Move on to the parent organizational detail to provide information about the parent organization institution. If your institution offers programs other than teacher education, list them under programs run by institutions other than teacher education. Update details about your existing teacher education programs in details of existing teacher education programs. When filling up the staff list, pay special attention while entering PAN details of all your staff members, as this is a crucial requirement. Additionally, include information about their academic backgrounds, employment history, and salary accounts. In the student list section, provide an up-to-date list of your students. For land details, upload information about your land, including mutation certificate and land use permission. In details of building plan, upload information about your building, including the building plan, its completion status, and geographical location. Enter details about your institutional's financial management in financial management. Add any other relevant information in other information. Provide your institution's website URL in website info and upload recent geotagged with netlink photos of your institution's building from the NCTE PAR mobile app available on Play Store, captured using screenshots in photos of institutional building. Regarding payments, ensure that this section is filled up with utmost care and seriousness as it is crucial to the submission process. For institutions with open distance learning programs, fill up the same sections as above but include 2 additional sections, that is, HQ details and study center, which should have details of your headquarters and study centers respectively. Before clicking Final Submit, review all your information thoroughly to ensure it is accurate and complete. If you have any queries or need a hand, our support team is available for you from 10:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Just drop us an email and we'll feel happy to help you.